Hello again and welcome to another episode of the Franchise Everything podcast, where we talk about everything and anything franchising here at the Houseproud cleaning offices here in Sydney. And we're joined by franchise partner Marco Zahrouni. Marco, thank you for joining us, mate.
No worries, all good, my pleasure.
Thank you. Now you're Harrington Park franchise partner, aren't you, out here in Sydney? Whereabouts is that in Sydney, for those who don't know?
Next to Camden area, Spring Farm, all this area.
Okay, excellent, out there. And you've been a Houseproud franchise partner since 2019, is that right? So just about 5 years now.
5 years? Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes we forget, don't we? Yeah. So you have a really interesting story for getting into this business. You come from a very different background to many people would go. So what's your story? How have you ended up in where you are now?
I like me and my wife, we support each other.
Yeah.
And sometimes we take risks,
Yes.
see which one the job for us is good.
Yeah.
And that's why I find the Houseproud.
Yeah.
It's suitable and it's reasonable the price.
Yes, so you found that thing. But originally, we'll get to all the Houseproud stuff, and there's a lot more happening in your life before Houseproud. So originally, you were telling me you're from Iran. You were originally born in Kuwait?
Yeah, I was born in Kuwait.
From Iran.
Because Iran with Iraq, it had war, and my father and my mom, they ran away to Kuwait.
Yes. Together for some safety in Kuwait, yes. Okay, so you're there, and then you're in Iran. So, but you're here in Australia, obviously, now. So what was the journey to get from Iran to Australia? How did that go about?
All right. Iran, we went to Malaysia.
Yes, to Malaysia,
Yeah, Malaysia. Then we went to Indonesia.
So you went by boat, didn't you? Yes.
First we flew to Malaysia.
Yes.
All right. But everything all fake with passport, everything we have to make.
You have to make them. You have to make your own passport, yeah.
Yeah, we have to, because we're not allowed to go from there.
Yeah. Yeah, so, yep.
Everything fly, everything that. Then we went to Indonesia.
Mm-hmm.
Then we went place to place, like in Indonesia.
Hopping, through Indonesian islands,
And we ran away from here to there because it was pirate, Indonesia pirate.
I imagine there's not some good types in those waters,
Yeah. Then after that, we went to buy a first boat.
Yep.
We nearly halfway in Australia.
Yeah.
But it's very bad wave, tornado, everything. Our boat went around.
Yep. You're saying the boat capsized,
capsized. And it was very dangerous. But lucky the driver went back to island.
Yeah.
But one island, they never seen anything. It's like movie.
It was just totally barren, was it? Empty, was it? Yeah.
No, it's not empty. Like people, like old-fashioned way.
Yes.
They don't have any clothes, kind of this.
Ah, okay, all right. So it's very, very wild.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I never seen in my life like that.
What were your impressions of it then?
Yeah, but they know about the money, of course.
Yes. Yep.
We give them money. They give us house. They give us everything.
Yes.
But the old houses, like with timber, like with wood, kind of this.
Yes, yeah.
We live
so
there.
like huts. How long did you stay on that island for?
For 1 week.
Yep.
Then after that, then they tell us, we go another boat. We went to second boat.
So another boat for Australia was arranged for you?
Yeah, the boat wasn't big. It's like, the fishing boat.
Yes.
But it at least 150 people were in it.
Wow.
A lot of people. Then after that, the boat went around, and he got lost. And we nearly finished the food. We nearly finished water.
Yeah, so we're lost at sea, hungry and dehydrated for a month.
Yeah. Then after that, Australian Navy, they seen us and they took us.
Mm-hmm.
And we went to Navy boat, the Navy Army boat.
Yes.
We hop in there and they give us food. We eat like crazy.
I'll bet you that would have been very welcoming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were good people that.
Yeah.
They took us to Darwin.
So they were good. They were good to you. Yeah.
Yeah. They took us to Darwin.
Yes.
Then we stayed 1 week in Darwin. We slept in the floor because it's no space over there.
Because there was 150 of you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then after that, we went to Woomera.
Mm-hmm.
Woomera, not that good for us.
No, that's the Woomera Detention Center
Yeah.
you're talking about?
Yeah. It's like jail, you know, we
Yeah.
cannot do anything. Like 3 meal a day. And if you miss your meal, it's no more.
Mm.
You have to wait for your next meal.
So it's certainly not a very comfortable environment to be in.
Yeah. But anyway, we got it in Villa. When we went to Villawood 1,
Yep.
the center, it was better.
So that's Villawood Detention Center,
Yeah.
you're saying? Yep. That's down here. Is
Yeah.
it? Yes. Yeah.
It was better, like food better, everything better.
Mm.
More like family come over, visit us. It's beautiful. But Woomera, it's very far, like south of Australia.
Very isolated.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, very isolated. Deliberately isolated, I
Yeah.
guess. Yeah. So what was the path then? So that was when did you start to come over to Australia? What year was that the journey started?
I started in Christmas 1999.
Yep.
We say 2000.
Yep. Okay. All right. So you ended up down there. And how long were you at Woomera for? So Woomera and Villawood, how long were you at those detention centres for?
Both of them, I said like 3.5.
Yeah, 3.5 years?
Yep.
That's a long time.
It is.
It's a long time.
Lifetime.
Yeah, absolutely. Must have felt like a lifetime. So what were you thinking at that time? What were your plans? You were just waiting for approvals and everything to get out? What were your thoughts?
Approval for permanent visa, all kind of this.
Yeah.
But even when I went out, they give us they call it bridging visa, not permanent visa.
A bridging visa? Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They give us for 1 year. Then after that, they give me like permanent visa.
Yes.
When I got my permanent visa, then I'll bring all my family here.
So you got that permanent visa, brought the family. So who did you bring out? Who was?
My mom
Yep.
and my 4 sisters.
Okay, from your 4 sisters from Iran.
Yeah.
Okay.
But my father passed away in Kuwait.
Yeah. Okay. So you've got that through that very difficult time. It must have been a relief to have your whole family here.
Yeah.
Then that all your family were there. So what was your plan in Australia from then? So what you obviously went about building yourself a life.
Yeah.
How did you approach that? What were the challenges with trying to pull that together?
I like working.
Yeah.
I went to school here, then I started working after school.
Mm-hmm.
And I done a lot, like construction, I done like cafe,
Yep.
I done some cleaning, I done everything.
Cafes, cleaning. You'll do all of that. Cafes, cleaning, construction,
Yeah,
everything. Yeah.
everything I done. Even I done like company poker machine. We used to making it.
So how did you learn how to make poker machines?
I applied for it.
Yeah.
And because I have good resume, I done everything. I'm handyman.
Yes. Yeah.
And when they seen it, they said, all right, we give it trial. And when they see me trial, like they see me very good, they said, we keep you.
Mm. So where did you learn to be a handyman then? Where did you pick those skills up?
When I'm washing people.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because I'm a very fast learner.
Yes. Okay. Okay, poker machine. So you've done all this stuff in your career. So no doubt a few years have moved on. So if you've done building poker machines, construction, cafes, carpet cleaning, all that sort of stuff. Now, what was your first business? Did you have a business before this? How did it?
My first business is in carpet cleaning.
Yes. Okay. And why did you decide carpet cleaning? What was the reason behind that?
I was looking for Google and I see carpet
Google
cleaning.
search. Yeah. You were looking for a business?
Yeah.
Yep.
Looking for business. What kind of business in Australia mostly is go? I seen a carpet.
Mm.
When I bought the carpet, I didn't have nothing.
Mm.
Like me and my wife, we didn't have nothing. Even we couldn't buy bread for us.
Wow.
I took a loan from a bank, at least 25K.
Yep.
And one guy carpet cleaning, he wanted to sell it very cheap. Beginning, we didn't make any money yet. Until after 6 months, it getting better and better.
Okay, so you managed to build it up over time, but those
Yeah.
first few months are obviously, like in many businesses, very, very difficult. How did you do it? How did you build the business? What was it?
Marketing,
Okay. Yep.
like a website, marketing, pay a lot of money.
Mm. A lot of outs and a lot of ins.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how long did you have the carpet cleaning business for?
Around 3.5 to 4 years.
Yes. Yeah, and you just had enough of that. How was that?
Yeah, because it's franchise, they charge me a lot of money,
Yep.
or everyone must they charge a lot.
Yeah.
Then after that, I decided to quit.
Yep.
Then I went to for delivery, allied.
Yes.
Then I found finally something very good for us.
Yeah.
Me and my wife, the Houseproud.
So you jumped from, you got rid of the cleaning franchise. Oh, sorry, the carpet cleaning franchise.
Yep.
And then you were doing like courier delivery
Yeah,
driver stuff
courier
with Allied.
Yeah.
And then you decided, right, I'm going to get another business.
Yeah, another
so
business.
how did you find Houseproud?
Google shares.
Another Google search. yeah.
Yeah.
And what were you specifically looking for a cleaning business at that time? Because you've been
Yeah.
doing some cleaning jobs.
I got used to it.
Yeah. Yeah.
I like to go people's houses to clean, like to talk with people, a lot of different people.
Yes.
I like that. I'm kind of this.
Yeah, you're a personal person.
Yeah.
When I met you today, you're very personable. Okay, so you got the cleaning. And what was your first impressions of the Houseproud franchise? What were your thoughts?
They have a good deal.
Yep.
Like they do all marketing, they do all website, they give us new lead, and with the Houseproud, it's very good. I never see other franchises doing like that. Because other franchises, when I used to do with my own marketing. And on top of that, after I used to pay like fee for them.
Yeah. So you feel like the services you're getting from Houseproud were better than what you were used to?
Yeah.
Okay. So how did you kick that business off and start it? What was that like starting your own cleaning business there? Did you grow, because you've now had it, what, 4.5, 5 years?
Yeah.
Yeah. How has the growth of the business been?
How we done it, my wife started first. She done it first. And until we get a little bit income.
So you were still driving?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
I was doing delivery.
Yes.
You have to be smart.
Keep that safe, yeah. So
Yeah.
she's doing cleaning, you're doing courier driving.
Because I have mortgage to pay. I don't want to lose my house, you know?
Yeah.
Then when our business a little bit grow up, then I left Allies.
Yes.
Me and my wife, we went together. Beautiful. We make undo now.
So now you're doing now. So you don't have a team. You and your wife do a husband and wife cleaning.
Yeah.
So you do that. Do you do the same jobs, or do you split off and do jobs?
split.
You split. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're covering two at the same time anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what does your normal day look like? So how do you structure your day? Do you get to structure it yourself, or how does it work?
Usually, I leave sometimes from home like 7.
Yep.
I'll finish by 3.
By 2?
2 or 3.
2 or 3. Yeah.
If we have one off clean,
Yeah.
I start like from 8, probably finish 5 or 6.
Yeah. Like a bond clean or something like that. Yeah. Yeah.
Depends what kind of job. But
Yeah.
with the regular, I have a lot of big job regular. Like take me 3 to 4 hours every job.
Yep. Okay. And what do you see? So when you have been growing it for about 4.5 to 5 years, what do you see as the key success ways to grow a business like this? Like, what have you found have given you your success in growing your business and running it well?
Support.
Yep.
From the Houseproud. Support from my wife. Like,
Supporting each other now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So having that support there, what support mainly have you leaned on? Is it like the marketing support and the customers and what?
Marketing, customer. I'm good with customer. Usually, I go give them code, everything that.
Yeah.
I don't have any problem. And I have one more thing. I do a lot upselling.
Yes. Yeah. You upsell. Yeah.
Yeah, I do a lot upsell.
Yeah.
Even
You're the master at that, are you?
Yeah.
Why are you a master at upselling? How did you develop that skill?
From carpet cleaning.
Why is that? How does that? What do they teach you that or something, or is it heavily trained?
I done it myself.
Yeah.
I'll go, for example, for the job it was 200.
Yeah.
200 not enough.
Yeah. For one job to be there all that time. Yeah.
I'll go there, and I'll come out with 500-600.
Yeah. By upselling other services and support.
You have to. If you want to go forward, you have to do upselling.
Yes.
Do not be shy. With this business, never be shy.
Yeah, so I suppose it's upselling while providing value as well at the same time, isn't it? Yeah. Excellent, mate. Well, mate, it's a great story. I'm glad you've hit the ground beautifully in Australia and everything's working out really nicely, mate. And you and your wife have had a great business running. So thanks so much for joining us today, mate. It's very much appreciated, Marco.
Thank you.
Thanks, mate. And that's it again for another episode of the Franchise Everything podcast. If you like this sort of stuff and you want to see more of it, please like, share, subscribe, do all that sort of stuff. It really helps us out. And I will catch you on the next one soon.